You might not believe this, but certain cooked vegetables, yes, ordinary ones you might already have in your kitchen, can help protect and even repair your aging eyes while you sleep. I know it sounds too simple, but please stay with me. I've spent over 20 years working with seniors, and one of the most heartbreaking silent struggles I see is the loss of clear vision. Not being able to drive confidently at night, not recognizing your grandchildren's faces, or straining to read a menu. You may feel embarrassed or scared because the world is starting to look blurry and faded. The cruel part is it happens so gradually that we often don't realize it's affecting our freedom until it's too late. But let me be clear, this isn't your fault. Your eyes are aging just like the rest of your body. However, that doesn't mean you are powerless. Today, I want to show you something that's been sitting quietly on your dinner plate. When cooked just right, it can gently nourish and restore your eyes, even as you rest at night. We'll explore 4 powerful vegetables, starting with the obvious hero, and ending with one that's surprisingly underrated, but may have the strongest impact of all. You've heard it before. Carrots are good for your eyes. But if you've always thought that was just an old wives' tale, let me tell you, it's not only true but scientifically sound, especially for aging eyes that struggle to adjust to darkness or glare. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a critical nutrient for producing a protein called rhodopsin. Rhodopsin helps you see in low light. Without enough vitamin A, your eyes struggle to regenerate light-sensitive cells, which is why night vision gets blurry and headlights become blinding. Key tip: beta-carotene is a fat-soluble nutrient, so raw carrots alone aren't enough. Pairing cooked carrots with a healthy fat like olive oil or butter maximizes nutrient absorption. Consuming them at dinner allows your body to use the vitamin A during its nightly repair cycle. This is a quiet, effective, and natural way to support your eyes. While carrots help you see in the dark, broccoli works on an even deeper level by protecting your delicate eyes from something far more dangerous: chronic inflammation. While we often associate inflammation with joint pain, inside the eyes it works silently, damaging tiny blood vessels and slowly robbing us of clear vision. Broccoli is one of the few vegetables that naturally contains both antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Its dark green florets are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which are crucial for the macula, the central part of the retina that controls our ability to read and see detail. These nutrients can help slow damage and support the repair of weakened retinal tissue. Cooking insight: lightly steaming broccoli breaks down its tough fibers, making these nutrients more bioavailable for your body to absorb. Adding a little healthy fat, like a dash of olive oil, helps even more. Among all vegetables known to support vision, kale quietly stands at the top. It is one of the most concentrated sources of eye protective nutrients, especially for those facing the greatest threat to their sight: age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Kale contains exceptionally high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, the very same pigments found in your macula that act like internal sunglasses, shielding your retina from harmful blue light and oxidative damage. Your body does not produce these on its own. You must get them from food. Why cook it? While raw kale is nutrient-rich, it also contains compounds that can block mineral absorption. Lightly steaming or sautéing it not only makes it more digestible, but also helps unlock the vision-saving nutrients inside those dense, dark leaves. It's easy to overlook zucchini, but for aging eyes, especially those battling dryness, irritation, or fragile retinal tissue, zucchini is a quiet but powerful ally. It helps combat dehydration, one of the most underappreciated causes of eye discomfort in older adults. Zucchini is more than 90% water. It also contains a valuable combination of nutrients, including vitamin C and manganese, which protect your eyes from cellular damage, support the eye's collagen structure, and help with retinal enzyme activation. Ideal for seniors because zucchini is soft and neutral in flavor. It's easy to digest, making it an ideal evening food that nourishes without weighing you down. You've seen how each vegetable offers a unique benefit. Now you can combine all four, carrots, broccoli, kale, and zucchini, into one simple, soothing dish for a powerful healing formula, especially for nightly repair. Simple recipe. Steps 1. Sauté chopped zucchini in a little olive oil until soft. 2. Add chopped carrots and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. 3. Toss in broccoli florets and kale, then add a few tablespoons of water or broth. Cover and steam for another 5 minutes. 4th, season lightly with sea salt and a squeeze of lemon or a sprinkle of turmeric if you like. This warm, soft, and powerful dish is packed with the nutrients your eyes crave. By making this meal just 3 to 4 times a week in the evening, you can see subtle but powerful results over time. If you've watched this far, thank you. You've shown that even if your vision has slipped, you haven't given up, and that matters more than any diagnosis. The truth is, your body still responds to care. Even in your 60s, 70s, and beyond, your cells still rebuild, and your eyes still try to heal. These 4 vegetables are not a burden or a prescription. They are a small act of love for yourself and the life you still want to see clearly. Remember this: you are not helpless, you are not too late, and you are not alone. Healing may not always mean reversing what's been lost. Sometimes it's about protecting what remains. If this message gave you hope, please like the video and share it with someone who needs a little light in their life. Also, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these vegetables will you try this week?